This is a Huawei Nova 11 Pro, and today I will show how you can install the Fortnite game on this device. So firstly, you will need to launch whatever search engine you prefer using, then input the Fortnite APK query. Amongst the search results, look for epicgames.com or fortnite.com official websites. So here's the fortnite.com website. It popped first, so I'll go for this choice this time. Then tap at the download now button, and the following page within a few seconds will pop up the download like that. After it gets downloaded, let's install the Epic Games Store, then launch it upon installing. Now enter the Fortnite game page and tap at the install button over there. And let's simply wait for the game to be downloaded now. Once the Fortnite game is downloaded, we will just go ahead and install it as well. Then launch it and let it download all remaining updates and resources, after which you will be finally able to start playing the game. Anyway, that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.